All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, solve for C. We have E equals mc squared. That is a oversimplification of Einstein's famous formula, but let's just pretend they're letters and work from there and not try to get too deep into that. So if we look at this, all right, E equals mc squared. I want C all by itself. I want to get this C all by itself, but I can't first because it's being multiplied by this m. And I can't do nothing until I get that m to the other side. So we just do that by doing the opposite. So I'm going to divide both sides by m. Easy peasy. These m's cancel. Great. And so I'm just going to write it left to right because I like it that way. It says c squared equals e divided by m. Okay, the c is almost all by itself, but it's not because of this exponent, this square. So the opposite of squaring something is taking the square root of something. So if I take the square root of both sides, okay, you're going to get c is, and I'll put the 2 there, why not, the square root of e over m. There you go. Also, just so we're all on the same page here, you could have also written your answer, let me come down a little bit, you could have also written your answer like this. C is the square root of e over the square root of m. That works too. All right, so there you go. Same answer, 2 different ways. Boom pow. All right, as always, don't forget to subscribe if you want me to be notified when I make more practice problems for you. And if there's something you really want to practice or something you want to see, just give me a holler on the comments below, and I'll try to make that for you. Okay, thanks, bye.